Welcome back, tech enthusiast. In today's videos, we are diving into the fascinating world of web development. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of nested routes in Next.js. Stay updated on all things coding, and let's go to start it. Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we looked at the file-based routing in Next.js. We discovered that the page.tsx file in the app folder corresponds to the main routes. Other page.tsx files in subfolders are routes, like about and profile. Now, let's explore nested routes. In this scenario, we want page for post, post 1, and post 2. First, create a post folder in the app. Inside, make a page.tsx file with a simple component. Now run app by yarn run dev or npm run dev. Localhost, I can see localhost 3000. If routes and posts, can see this page. Now, for nested routes, create folders 1 and 2 inside posts. Post 1, post 2. In each, make a page.tsx file with components. Page.tsx page.tsx this post 1 after post routes, if routes on post 1 can see post 1. Now, and page.tsx in post 2. Okay, post 2. H2. If from post routes, route to post 2, if from post routes, route to post 2, we can say post 2 page. This way, we've implemented nested route successfully. Remember, by creating nested folders, the files are routed accordingly. In the next video, we'll explore dynamic routes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. And as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and happy coding!